Hi, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video. This is hopefully a very special parcel from Tom Shorrock off of Total Car Reviews. So I've ordered some of the headlights that I know Tom's got on his car. Tom, if you're watching this, I've seen your videos and they're very entertaining, and you basically sold me on these lights. So I'm just going to open the box. As you can see, they've arrived really well packaged from Tom. Just going to never normally do unboxing videos because I think they're dull as ditch water, but I thought this might be useful and might actually help Tom to sell more of these lights, if you can see, I guess, the quality of them. And I have to say as well, Tom sent them really in quick turnaround, just a couple of days I think they've arrived, so thank you, Tom. Right, we'll get cracking. I might need 2 hands for this, so I'm just going to pause the video a sec. Right, here we go. Very well wrapped by Tom. As you can see, Tom's video skills are much better than mine. Right, so this is the lights. What we've got in the box. Looks like some instructions. Useful. I'll need those. Normally throw instructions away, but I think in this case I might use them. And these are the units themselves, really well packaged, as you can tell. Arrived without damage, it would appear. So yeah, look, good quality items, I'd say. Sort of metal backing. All the ends made off, electrical ends made off really well. All good to me. Some extra cables in here. I'm sure we'll need to read the instructions or watch Tom's video again to figure out what these are all about. But yeah. So yeah, so thanks Tom for sending those, appreciate that. And I'd also like to say I think Tom's prices on these are really good. I've looked at similar ones on eBay. In fact, I'm pretty sure they're exactly the same, and they're much more expensive than Tom's. In fact, I couldn't get them any cheaper actually. So thanks a lot, and I'll be seeing you.